Okay. Good morning, student. Welcome, all of you. Right. So today we are going to see some of the waste disposal strategies done in Nigeria. Right. This is under your ISA project. Right. And you first have to watch the video carefully. Then after that, we'll be giving you one Google form. You have to solve a few questions given in the Google form, right? So I'm start presenting you the video, YouTube video.
I'm related to that video.
Yes, it's related to that video, waste
Okay, ma'am.
disposal that we are seeing in one country, Nigeria, right? We are talking about Nigeria.
WeCycler started about 5 years ago. The concept came up actually in a business class that my sister, Belikis Adebi, was taking when she was in MIT. She came up with the concept of kind of a bottom-up approach, a pyramid scheme for helping low-income communities get value for their waste. Essentially, what she did was come to Lagos, study the waste environment, talk to a lot of people in waste like Loma, and try to find out what we were doing in terms of recycling. When she found out there was a big gap in recycling, she took it upon herself and members of her class to pretty much test the market to see how they could incentivize people to recycle and give them the points for their recyclable waste and collect it from them and sell it back to large recycling companies. Yeah, so WeCyclers essentially is incentivized-based recycling. We go to households and communities and tell them about the value of their recyclable waste, and we also give them incentives. So we give them what we call points. Those points are tracked over time and they accumulate, and it allows the individual to see that the plastic bottles, aluminum cans, cardboard are not just waste. We collect that material, bring them to our different hubs around Lagos. We currently have 4 hubs in Lagos. And what we do is we essentially sort the material. And then once we're done with this process, we start to compress the different materials so that it can actually be easier for us to ship and sell. WeCyclers faces a variety of challenges that range from operational challenges such as equipment damages or maintenance to also logistics. So we have a lot of vehicles that travel around Lagos to collect recyclable waste from different parts. So we definitely face the challenge of maintenance of our vehicles. The cost of operating vehicles over a large area is very, very expensive. So we definitely face those challenges on a daily basis. We're a small company, so our revenues are not very large. So we have to really balance our costs to make sure that we're able to maintain our vehicles appropriately and also be able to serve our customers. Yeah, so WeCycler has a lot of support from particularly Lagos State. Lagos State has been a partner with WeCyclers from day one. When we started out, we actually partnered with Loma to get some space in Lagos. They gave us a space that we could use to collect and sort the material. All right, so WeCyclers really tries to make sure that our customers understand the value of the waste that they generate on a daily basis. And not only do we try to reach out to individuals in households, we're always looking at children because we believe that children are the future. And one of the things that we see a lot of is kids actually coming into our recycling hubs to bring plastics. And that's so encouraging for us because we definitely see the impact and the value of children understanding that waste is not waste. You have to use it to actually get value from it. So I'm always encouraged to see children coming in to recycle because we know that's the future. And once children begin to assign value to these products, it becomes a learned habit. And children then continue to do this as they grow. And so we believe that we're going to actually have a much better environment because children are a part of the solution. We do always accept tours with different schools around Lagos State to come to our recycling hubs. And we teach them about the value of what they're doing, and they get to see where these materials go and what they are used for. So it's something that we feel has to be continually be pushed. So Recyclers always looks for opportunities to collect more waste and essentially valuables from the household. So if you're looking to recycle your plastic bottles, aluminum cans, sachets, or cardboard or paper, and you don't know what to do with it, just feel free to go to our website, recyclers.com. Feel free to go and get our details, call us, let us know where you live. We'll work with you to try to get that material to where it needs to go and to be properly utilized and recycled.
Welcome back to Hello Nigeria. Interesting package there from Recyclers. Do you recycle, Aya?
To be honest, I have been very bad because we don't have very accessible
And we don't separate
avenues.
our trash.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm glad and grateful for organizations like this, and of course the Konus who have, I think, recycle points. Yeah,
Yes,
recycle
recycle
points.
points.
Because it encourages people to do this, and recycling is the future of
And
the
we
environment.
need to teach them young. I
Yes.
think it needs to be put in the curriculum as part of civic duties.
I
Yeah, because
agree.
we're saving the planet, and there's a lot of plastic in the ocean, a lot of this.
I feel guilty throwing
yeah.
away plastic normally because when I was in uni, it was second nature.
Some
You need
countries
to
have
put it in the
actually
green.
banned plastic bags
Yes,
and
yes.
styrofoam.
In Wales, that's the way. So you used to you buy tissue and put it in your handbag. When I first got back to Nigeria, people used to laugh because I did that a lot. I didn't see the point of taking hand. But now I just ask, give me extra, please, give me 5 more.
Yeah, so we
because
need to
it's,
get to that point so we
yeah.
can save a planet for our children, and you don't want them saying that what did my grandparents do when they were here on Earth? They destroyed Mother Earth.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.
Look, if you're a business owner, then please don't make this mistake. Hey, this is Amit here, and
So what we basically saw the strategies that different countries are doing to recycle the waste. We know that, waste, specifically your non-biodegradable waste, right? Which cannot, which we cannot degrade even if we keep it for even very long years, right? So the management of that waste is very important for us, right? So there are different countries who are doing different strategies. So what this Nigeria basically they are doing, their basic and their prime focus is to aware the future generation. That is, they are targeting the schools where they can teach the students that waste is just not a waste. We have to value the waste. That's what he said, right? And it's a request to all of you also that you have to value the waste. You should always follow 3R policy. Any one of you who can tell me about 3R policy? What is a 3R policy?
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Very good. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. And in this video, we saw about recycling, that how he is managing the waste, how he is recycling the plastic bottles. They are compressing the plastic bottles, and he said that he has to, face lots of obstacles, while they are doing this process. They have to face various obstacles related to your logistics, related to the operational, related to collecting the waste. There are many things that they have to focus, but still what is important is that they are focused and they are working on the recycling of the waste. They are still working to make the future generation, the students, understand that they have to value the waste, and you should not put things directly into the waste. You should always try to see the scope where you can reuse and recycle them, right? So I hope the topic is clear to all of you. So now we're moving ahead with a Google form. I'm sharing a Google form with you. Just give me a minute. I will be giving you the link of the Google form, right? And then please fill all the details in the Google form given properly, right? Give me a second. It's opening. I'm giving you the link. Okay, you have to fill your name and your class. That is mandatory, right? And there are few questions that you have to write in that. Okay, please, if there are descriptive questions, I would request all of you to write in short and in brief, right? Okay, I'm giving you the link. Yes, please try and open that the Google form is opening. Start working on your Google form. Right, so this is your Google form related to the waste management. These two fields are mandatory where you have to write down your name and your class, right? And there are few questions that you have to solve, right?
Ma'am, please share the link once again.
Okay.
And there are only 3 questions.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, what we have to write in question 4?
Give me a moment.
Ma'am, there is only one option.
No, there is no option. It's also a descriptive question where you have to write down how you can contribute in reducing waste. What will be your strategies to reduce the weight, reduce the waste material, right? What all strategies you are going to follow to reduce the waste material? I told you 3R policy. It's related to that only. There is a 3R policy. There is a 5R policy also. We have already discussed this, right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
The second question they're asking, do you think waste disposal method is good? Do we have to describe the waste disposal method of the Nigerian country?
Yes, it's a very general question. Though it is any country, they're just talking about is a waste disposal method is good, where you are simply disposing of the waste. So is that method good? You have to just simply tell it, it's related to any country. You can talk in context of Nigeria also.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope every one of you are done with the Google form. So Nana, can you summarize what we did today?
Yes, ma'am. Today we watched a video of the recycling waste disposal and plastics in Nigerian country, and we also did the Google form related to that video.
Right, right. So I hope this would have inculcated the value inside you that you are not going to consider waste as simply waste. You are going to value the waste and you are going to use the 3R policy: reduce, reuse, and recycle in order to manage the waste in our country, right?
मैंने पेस्ट कर दिया